Okay, so today we are going to take a peek inside Tiny Solar System. This is a STEAM toy by Smart Lab Toys, which is sold by Paper Pie. It's great for ages 8 and up with about 20 pieces inside. So we're going to go ahead and open this up to take a peek inside. Let's look at the box first. So it includes a solar system base, a sun, all the planets on different arms, a sticker sheet, a poster, and a little science booklet in there. So we're gonna have some light up solar demonstrations, the moon phases, and show how the Earth's tilt causes the seasons. So we have a little science manual inside to help us learn as we look through these toys. So Josh and I are going to open it up and take a peek inside the Tiny Solar System. Okay, so Josh is gonna go ahead and open up the box. Let's see what we've got inside. So those must be the little stickers and one of the booklets. And what else do we have inside? Okay, so there's Earth. And then moon, a little base. And we're popping out the sun and other planets. And then, Josh, what's inside? What's the rest inside here? We have the tiny little booklet with our guide to exploring a tiny guide to exploring our astronomically huge solar system. So let's take a look inside the booklet, and then Josh is already hard at work taking a peek at that sun. All right, so here is our booklet that gives us information on the projects to do, how to label all of our planets. So Josh and I will go through and do that. And then it's going to take us a little bit through the solar system. So lots of great reading and information on all the different planets as we go through. So Josh and I are going to get things all put together, and then we'll show you what it all looks like.
So like this, here's the solar system, here's the sun, and these are all of the planets. We labeled them, and this is like a booklet of activities and like stickers, and you can learn about crazy experiments and like the eclipse. And I got this little pamphlet that shows the whole galaxy almost, and on the back it shows us a little information. I hope you enjoyed Tiny Solar System. Bye.